Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. Today I will explain you chapter surface area and volumes. Exercise 13.1 part 1. Surface area or of cuboid. Cuboid is whose, see this matchbox, its length to one surface is the rectangular surface. This surface is also rectangular surface. This is rectangular. In this way, there are 6 surfaces. So, okay, all are rectangular surfaces of different size. But two, this side and this side, opposite sides are same area. This side and this side, opposite sides are same area, same top and bottom. This is also same area. In this way, there are 6 sides. Okay. Now, check it this. I have drawn it in this figure. Okay. Here surface area of cuboid where length L, breadth B and height H as I have taken it. So okay. Total surface area of cuboid. Total all 6 faces. Okay. That is a TSA. In short we can write it 2 into length breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. It is the formula. Please learn all this formula, then you can easily, very easily you can solve each and every questions. Lateral surface area of cuboid, it is LSA, that is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Now check it here. So okay, here it is 2 into length plus breadth into height. This is the height. Okay, that is the area of 4 walls, not top and bottom. So okay, except top and bottom, the 4 walls, that is formula is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Area of 4 walls, that is, or you can write area of lateral surface area. Okay, that same formula. Diagonal of the cuboid, it is under root L square plus B square plus H square. Length square plus base square, length square plus breadth square plus height square. Next is surface area of a cube. Cube is a shape of a die. You can take an example. A die is all faces are equal in length. So okay, equal in area. There are 6 faces. So let A be the edge of a cube. So all faces, total surface area of cube is TSA, that is 6A square. Okay. Lateral surface area of cube is 4 walls. It is 4A square. So okay, 4 equal faces. So 4A square. Diagonal of the cube under root A square plus A square plus A square. That means it is 3A square, that we can write A root 3. Okay. Now, if you open a cube, there are 6 faces. You can open in this way. So, there are 6A square, 6 areas. Okay. So, it is 6A square. If I take only 4 walls. So, these are the 4 walls, not top and bottom. Okay. So, that is 4A square only. Cuboid, same in this way. 2 length into breadth 2 times, top and bottom. It is H into length, 2 sides, and breadth into height in these 2 sides. So okay, so its surface area, total surface area 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, this is the formula. Now next, now straight we can start the exercise 13.1. It is question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. The cost of the sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Now to explain you, I have drawn the figure. It is not compulsory to draw, but if you draw it, it's better you draw, because that is easy to calculate and easy to put the formula. So okay, now it is the box opened from the top. So okay, now it is length, breadth and height has given. Height has given these two in meter, but height is 65 centimeter. You have to change it into meter, because all the measurement must be in the same units. Area of the sheet requires for making the box open at the top is area of 4 walls and area of base. We have to take, not the top one. So okay, so 4 walls is 2 into length plus breadth into height plus length into breadth. You must write the formula, then you put the value. Otherwise, sometime because of formula, whole answer came wrong. Now 2 into length plus breadth into height plus length into breadth. Okay, it is the base of the box. So if you calculate it, it is 3.575 plus 1.875, that is total 5.45 meter square. Okay, cost of 1 meter square plastic sheet is rupees 20. It is the rate of cost. So rate of cost into area, that is the total cost. So rate of cost into area, it is 109 rupees. Okay, next question is, the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. Okay, 7 rupees 50 paisa per meter square. Now for the room length, breadth and height, 3 has given. Now area of room to be whitewashed, that is the area of ceiling and the area of 4 walls. So okay, now formula, length into breadth, area of ceiling, and 4 walls is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Now substitute the value, length into breadth and 2 into length plus breadth into height, it is coming 74 meter square. Okay, now rate of cost has given rupees 7.50. So total cost is equal to rate of cost into area, that is rate of cost into area, it is 555 rupees. Okay, thank you very much.